Okay, good afternoon. Welcome to
KidMath158.
KidMath158. So I'm back from a little trip I had this weekend, and we left on Friday talking about floor, but we have had no conversations about floor since then. So I just want to show you one interesting situation where you might want to talk about floor. Okay?
Yeah.
Ready? So we're going to look at the number 10, and I wrote just for fun. I wrote 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's look at this function. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out what I want to say. Look at floor of 10 divided by 1. What's that?
That's still 10.
That's still 10. Okay, so that's not that interesting. How about what's the floor of 10 divided by 2?
It's 5.
5. So 10 divided by 2 goes to 5. We're going to see if we can see any patterns here, see if we can interpret these numbers. What about 3? What is the floor of 10 divided by 3?
Well, it's going to go to 3 because 9/3 is 3.
Okay, so 10/3 is what as a decimal?
It's 0.3. No, wait. That's 3/10.
Okay, yeah, 10/3.
It's 3.3333333.
There you go. So the floor of this is 3. Oops. Sorry. Is there another? Can you hand me that other marker?
This will work.
Yeah, oops, I go away on my markers stopped working, but I guess they weren't working before I went away either. 10 divided by 4. What's that going to be? Floor.
Well, 8 divided by 4 is 2.
Okay.
So it's going to be 2.
2. What is 10 divided by 4 as a decimal?
It's 2.5.
Yeah. Okay. So 10 divided by 5?
2.
2. What's 10 divided by 5 as a decimal?
It's 2.
Also 2. Okay. And I'll do 10 divided by 6 just for the last one. So 6 goes to?
It's going to be 1.
I'm going to go to 1. Okay. So when I do 10 divided by these integers, and then I take the floor, I get 10, 5, 3, 2, 2, 1. Okay. So I want you to see if you can interpret these numbers and see how these numbers are related to 10. So 10 divided by 1, the floor of that is 10. So with 1 we got 10 of something. 10 divided by 2 floor goes to 5. 10 divided by 3 floored is 3. 10 divided by 4 floored is 2. 10 divided by 5 floored is 2. 10 divided by 6 floored is 1. Okay, so see if you can see anything where this might make any sense.
Except for this one, they're all factors of 10.
Oh, that's interesting. Okay. They look like they might be factors of 10, except that one with 3 didn't really work. But that's, by the way, that's a very good guess. They were factors of 10, almost. So, but, okay.
Well, not all of them are primes.
That's true. Not all of them are primes.
Well, it doesn't seem like there's like a symmetry pattern.
No, it's not symmetry. It seems to be as these numbers get bigger. In fact, as soon as they get bigger than 10, what am I going to get?
You're gonna get
Right.
You're gonna get decimals.
11. 10 divided by 11 floored is what?
You're gonna get 0.
0. So as soon as they get bigger than 10, it goes to 0. So it does seem to go down to 0, and then it's going to stay at 0 forever, right?
Yeah. So if we graph this, it's gonna go down and then stay.
Yeah, at 0. It eventually goes to 0. So what do we have 10 of with 1? What do we have 5 of with 2? What do we have 3 of with 3? What do we have 2 of with 4? What do we have 2 of with 5? And only 1 of 6, and then none with 11.
Well,
Look at the board. I wrote some numbers down.
What can we say about this?
Yeah, what do those numbers represent? Take 3, for example. The one that... This is counting something. With the number 3, I take 10 divided by 3 and I floor it, and I get 3.
It's the thirds.
Circle them. What do those 3 numbers represent here on my number line up there? What numbers are those? 3 numbers. 10 divided by 3 floored gives me 3 here. So there's, what 3 numbers do you think that represents if you say it's counting thirds?
Well, we've got. Well, it'll be 4 numbers then.
Which 4?
You have 3 ones and then the third.
Okay. I don't understand what you're saying.
Well, when you have 10 thirds,
Mm-hmm.
it's 9 thirds plus 1 third.
That's true. The 9 thirds, that floor gives you that 3. But do you see 3 of anything up here relating to the number 3? Or do you see 2 of anything relating to the number 4 in my line up there? Do you see 2 of anything relating to the number 5?
Yeah, I see the multiples of 3. There's 3 multiples of 3.
Okay.
And there's 2 multiples of 4.
What are they?
4 and 8.
What about 2 and 5? How do those relate?
There's 5 multiples of 2.
So isn't this interesting? Floor counts the multiples. 10 divided by 6 floored was 1. That says what?
There's 1 multiple of 6.
There's 1 multiple of 6 that's 1 positive multiple of 6 less than 10. So why was 10 divided by 11 floored 0?
Because 11's here.
There's no multiples of 11 between 1 and 10.
Yeah.
Pretty neat, right?
Yep.
So floor is actually a very useful function. And we're going to see this come up lots and lots. Okay. Good job, sweetie. Good job.